This is a Moco.Net production.
Hello everyone, we're here with a review of Alvoxcon's dual UHF dynamic mic, model number CK-220/UM-220. We put it through its paces. Listen ahead for more information. Upon opening the product's box, you can feel the quality of the item. It is very well packaged with everything tightly set as it should be. Nothing is just thrown together here. It comes smartly packaged. The CK-220 comes with 2 wireless microphones, a 4-pack of AA batteries, a USB wire to connect the wireless dongle, a male to 2 female connector, a dongle that connects the mics wirelessly, and a connector to fit the wireless dongle into your PC. Everything has a sturdy feeling to it, even the plastic pieces. There are 2 important things that you should know about the Alvoxcon CK-220. One is that you should invest in rechargeable batteries, as regular batteries last only a few hours. Second, a windscreen is highly recommended, and that goes for every mic out there. A windscreen just helps everything sound better, period. You can pick one up at Amazon for under $10. At Moco.Net, there's a link to buy one. The microphones themselves feel like a light metal, almost like a soft plastic feeling, but it doesn't come across as cheap. It feels light and something you can hold on for hours on end. There is an LCD screen on them that shows a frequency. Just a tip, you can use both mics included in the package on one receiver, perfect for events and podcasting. To change the frequency, you hold in the power button and the numbers start to flash. After, with every click, your frequency changes along with its channel, for a total of 20 channels. You can be sure to find one to your liking. Plugging everything in worked right out of the box. There was no need to install drivers. It was plug and play the way it should be. Up next is the regular headset mic, followed by the Alvoxcon mic. Hello, this is Moso, and I am recording this specific portion of the review with a regular mic headset. As you can hear, there is a loud hissing noise, and the quality of the headset just doesn't sound right. Up next is the Alvoxcon CK-220. As you can see, the difference between mics are huge. The Alvoxcon sounds pretty clear and would make a great companion to live streaming, podcasts, or projects you may be creating. I like the build quality and especially the sound. This is a great product for people on a budget. It also rivals big name companies, as well as proving that you do not need to be a big corporation to have a quality product out there. With all said and done, I am very happy with the product and it serves my needs exactly. I can wholeheartedly recommend this mic to anyone wanting to upload videos to YouTube or podcasting. It's a budget price without the budget feel. As always, if you like what we do, please like and subscribe.